My name is Vincent Everts, I'm a trend watcher, and on May 15 to 18 we have INTERCLEAN in Amsterdam, and I'm going to give a seminar about the 40 most innovative things we're going to show you. And I have two questions. First, if you're a supplier, give me all your innovations. I'm looking for smart innovations. I want digital innovation, robotics, artificial intelligence. We want to make cleaning smart. We want to have 50% of the amount of work and twice the results, and that's the kind of things I'm looking for. Send them to me, vincent@everts.net. If you want to come to my seminar, in about an hour, 40 innovations we're going to show you. We're first going to investigate what you're interested in. So take your smartphone with you because it's going to be an interactive session. And secondly, then I'm going to give you a virtual tour of the INTERCLEAN because there's so much going on. And after that, you know exactly which innovations you want to see. So come to the INTERCLEAN, May 15 to 18, Amsterdam Rai.